Hi, Dee Dee Ladybug. Thank you for stopping by and checking in on me. I really do appreciate it. I just want to give a shout out to all you lovelies, and hope that you're having a great Sunday. Jean and I went out, had a date today, and we went and saw, we had a free preview of a movie that's currently going to be coming out, an Avenger movie, which was very loud, a lot of action, but it's something that he enjoys doing. And then we went out to lunch afterwards at a place called Bob's Big Boy. It's a restaurant out here that's has a lot of tradition, has a lot of tradition and pretty good cheeseburgers, but they have other things too. So go online and see what a Bob's Big Boy is, or maybe you have one in your area. I'm not sure, but that's what we did today. It was a fun day. Had a lot of laughs today. Anywho, so this is a soft covered journal, and I did batting, or I guess that's what it's called. I'm not a sewer. I'm not sure of all the terms on the outside of it, and then there's no batting on the inside of it, just on the outside portion of it. This stuff here is called cross grain. I can say it. Trust me, I'll try. Cross grain tape, and I bought 6 yards of it for $6 at Hobby Lobby. It's kind of a neutral color, and this is part of a belt that I took apart that I got at the swamp meet. There was this portion of it, and then when I took it, and I still have a lot left over, but when I took it apart, this was the other side of it, because it was a reversible belt. But look how much, all kinds of leftover on that. And I wasn't expecting this, but a beautiful piece of leather in the middle of it. So I already have plans for that too. And this is some fabric that I've had for a while. I don't have much of it left, so right now I am hoarding what I have left. This book is 8 by 5.5, the outside of it, and the pages on the inside are 5 by 7.25. So let's go on in. Oh, and it is held in with this piece of elastic here that I just tied around, and then I made this little charm bracelet, attached it with a ball safety pin. And I got this bracelet, well, it wasn't a bracelet, it was just like a little, I don't even know what it was, at Hobby Lobby for like 25 cents. And what I did was I just added all the little trinkets on it. That's a little fuzzy tassel, and then all the little trinkets. I wanted it to look like an old, charm bracelet. And this little charm up here says "Made with Love," and then it's got this cute, I don't even know if you can see it. I probably shouldn't struggle with it too much because it's so tiny. Yeah, well, it looks like a little tag. I really wanted to make sure that if you pulled on it, that this wasn't going to come apart. Plus, I liked the way it looked when it was open. On the inside, it is plain. It's muslin on the inside, and I didn't make any pockets or anything here. I did keep it plain. I felt that the new owner of this, they could stamp here. They could maybe sew their own little thing and maybe glue it on here. But I wanted to keep it plain so that whoever does decide to put this in their collection can do whatever they want on the front as well as on the back. And this is my first attempt at a soft covered, fabric covered envelope. I have made one other journal, but not with the fabric. So let's go ahead and write in on 20 pages. I'm pretty sure it's 20 pages. And it's just scraps that I had on my desk that that I used in another journal. And then I'm trying to use up my scraps, and isn't that cute? You know, I rounded a lot of the corners on these, made them different sizes. No inking in this. I did not want any ink on this one at all. I just wanted the real clean lines. Little journaling card, tea stained. A lot of space for journaling, pictures. Little pieces of paper that I had on my desk. Another little. This is the 2-inch scallop that whoa, whoops, 2 inches, I think it is. Yep, there it is. And then this is a page from a book that we've had probably, I don't know, 20 years or more for gardening, and I don't want the book anymore because it's very, very heavy, and I do see other people use magazine pages, and I like the way it looked in this particular book. There is a lot of paper clips in here, and I did use yarn for any of the tags. It's all yarn. Piece of the scrap paper that I had, another one of the punches, and then this postcard. My mom gave me a bunch of postcards a long time ago, and I have been hoarding on to them. Gosh, like I say, tongue-tied all day. Hoarding onto them, and so I went ahead and cut them apart and thought it was just time to share. Some little tags in here. A double pocket, rounded all the corners. Made a long tag out of that one. A piece of vellum. Some coffee dyed paper. Another piece of scrap paper that I rounded the corners. Another piece of vellum. This is a 4x6. This is tea stained. This is also a double pocket. Scrap paper, journaling card, and a little vellum tag. A lot of paper clips in here. Did I already say that? I think I did. A little ticket, and then this has a double-sided tape on the back, so just a little piece that I had left over from another project. You can go right and put it there. Whoops, I love that paper. And a gal at work was very sweet, gave us all little notebooks for administrative day, and I took a couple of the pages out. I think there's 4 pages here, and then I resewed them and attached that. And that cute paper, so retro. Little pocket, some journaling cards, scrap paper. Again, this is all yarn. This is coffee stained ledger paper. Magazine, from the gardening book. This is a 4x6 journaling card. A little piece of gray yarn. And this is a die cut that I have. And this is coffee dyed paper. And a couple of the die cuts. And a journaling card in there. I did sew this signature all together so that when you take it out, it'll stay together. Oops. And a couple little ephemera pieces. Not fun paper. Again, a double pocket. Journaling card, scrap paper. The journaling cards I kept, some I kept squared and others I rounded, but most of the ones that were a journaling card I kept square. It's a very light pink piece of vellum and some graph paper. back side of that page. Glittery paper. This has got a lot of glitter on it. Really pretty, isn't it? Little punch. It's a little notepad. There's 6 pages that I sewed together, and it does come off. And this down here says amazing. Oh, the sun is getting covered by a cloud. It's not that it's cold out here right now, it's that it's muggy, really hot and muggy, so the clouds keep covering the sun. Of course, when I'm filming though, which is fine. I'm okay with that. And this is a journaling card, and there's that piece of paper with the golden pineapples. Journaling card. And a couple little pieces of ephemera, another little vellum tag. The vellum tags came with this baker's twine, so I just went ahead and left it. A 4x6. This has a couple little journaling cards in it. It's a little pocket. And none of this stuff has to stay here. You can put it wherever you want, whatever page you want. And this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Part of some scrapbook paper. This piece of paper, well, it's thick. It's like a piece of cardboard. Has been on my desk for a very long time. I don't know where I got it, but I thought I'm going to use it. So, a little journaling card and a canvas heart. Flips out. This is 24/7. That's coffee stained. Backside of the vellum. And then a journaling card. The top portion of the other ledger paper. And another piece of paper that was on my desk. Little bag, and these I cut down to look like, journaling cards. I'll put them in later. And then this is a portion of another piece of paper in there. The flower punch again. Another one of those postcards. Some yarn again. Here's another little punch, and this is just one piece, but there's a gal at work who had a pad of these, and she gave me, I think, about 6 sheets, so I thought I'd share one of the sheets in here. And this is a die cut I've had forever and ever. I thought it looked cute. This is empty, so you can put whatever you want in there. A typewriter sticker with it saying my story. This is double-sided. And in this envelope, really went down in the sun. This is an envelope that I made. This is the paper that's in the beginning. There's a little journaling card in there. Another journaling card here. Sticker. Oops. And then I don't know. I think it's cute. I just punched it's pretty obvious. I just punched it a couple of times and then I stapled it and used it as a tuck spot. And it's more of the scrap paper on my desk, because these were all 12 by 12 sheets. And dreaming of flowers and sunshine or sunshine. And there you go. And that's the little fabric soft covered junk journal. So I hope you like it. I will be listing this in my Etsy shop. I'll put that link below. And again, I really do appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at what I'm doing. Thank you so much. Bye.